people. So this is my 24th video, and I have to say this, that like you all know, I follow the teachings of Master Ryoho Okawa, who's a Japanese writer, thinker. He runs this organization called the Happy Science, which is like the Japanese version of Isha Yoga, literally. So, no, so Master Ryoho Okawa says that to be rich, the most important thing you need is a strong spirit. Yeah, I mean, to be able to work those long hours, to be able to not give up no matter what. So each time I feel a little daunted, I just think of this line by Master Ryoho Okawa, that wealthy people basically they have a strong spirit, like the ones who built wealth on their own, not like they've acquired with their, like whatever. So I think that's very important. So thank you, Master Ryoho Okawa. I just want to spread the teachings of Happy Science, in India, because it's it's just mind boggling. And they say Master Ryoho Okawa is the reincarnation of Gautam Buddha, so I think that's just amazing. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.